Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So hope you are doing good, and tomorrow onwards your PGCET option entry will start. So you are looking for good options in the college. So I'm presenting few college reviews. So this is today I'm presenting Niti Meenakshi Institute of Technology and MIT, and it is based out in Yelanka in Bangalore. So this is one of the top-notch engineering college, top 10 engineering colleges in Bangalore, and they offer the management MBA program. So that is what I am going to review. So before I will give a background about the college first, so that somebody who has not done engineering is not aware of this. So it's run by Niti Education Trust, and Niti is a big trust started in 1979, run by the Justice K.S. Hegde and his wife Meenakshi Hegde, because of which the college name is Niti Meenakshi Institute of Technology, right? And this is awarded as a platinum college for last 3 years. And apart from that, in all the government rankings, it has been in the top notch. So it is a plus accredited institute. It's 74th rank in a deemed university category. Engineering ranking is 128. Some other rankings are 133. Pharmacy 49, medical 36, dental college 5th rank, and so on. So they have basically 3 campuses: one in Niti, in an AMIT is in Nite, then NMIT which is in Bangalore, right, and many other, right? So this college about they have offered a lot of courses, as engineering courses, and the bottom side you see the MBA courses, where you have MBA, MCA, and the last lot of MEmTech programs. So MBA, which I am reviewing here, and my next video will be on the Niti Meenakshi MCA. So for overall college, the latest ranking is 128, and the ARIA, it is a rank among the top 3, right? So that is what this college has a credential. It has a big beautiful campus, so, and which has earned a Green Campus Award in 2019. So you get a very good environment, and apart from that Green Campus, you also have a good amount of infrastructure. And I have made a campus tour for this in my video channel, right? So you can see that. But in short, you will have a auditorium, conference room, seminar hall, girls and boys hostel. There is no issue. Everything, your cafeterias, your transportation, your ATMs, banking counter, open air theater, everything is within the campus. You get, if you are in a hostel, you'll get a gym, outdoor and indoor sports. So I'm not going towards that. I'm directly going to talk about now the MBA program and how MBA program can help you, and what are the credentials of the MBA program. So MBA program is rated as by Higher Education Review Awards, as a accredited, and this is based on the survey. And it is ranked 8th in Bangalore and 25th in South India and 41 in India, based on that particular higher awards research, right? So and they all of management college show different research, right? So Department of Management Studies is basically having a problem, is solving a problem which is related to the industry specific needs, and they have tie up with FICCI, Karnataka, Pinya Industrial Association, and a lot of organizations. So infrastructure, since this college is based within the same campus, it has all the facilities which you enjoy there in 24-acre campus, and they have a separate boys and girls hostel, as well as cafeteria and dining facilities, right? And they do have a medical center, and they are also part. Then the students, the best part is right side is the TIME Institute, basically coaches the students of management so that they are able to pass through the internship and the placement interviews, right? So that is the best part. And the Department of Management Study focuses on good amount of education programs, right, which is FDPs or MDPs, management development programs, and the EDPs, entrepreneurship development programs, right? And this is done with association with FICCI, Federation of Karnataka Association, right, for chambers and commerce. And this is about the somebody wants to contact the college. This is the address and the phone numbers and the contact details for the left side. Right side is about the eligibility criteria. So you have to be 45% marks and 50% marks respectively for categories, and the examination through which it takes is PGCET. So that's why you are watching this video, and you would have got the PGCET ranking already with you, and you are, and based on that you are doing option entry as of now, right? So this is one of the good options. And if you would have seen my top 50 colleges by cutoff video, then you would have seen this. So college code of Niti Meenakshi is B231, and its cutoff last year was 6100, right? And MIT Bangalore, the last line you can see. So if you want to explore these colleges, you top these colleges you can see here, and other colleges you will see in that video. So request also comparing this with other videos like Reva University I have made in this sheet, and many other colleges from that big list. You can check it, right? Now the second option, if you do not getting into these ranks and you still want to study in this college, so other option is you can get through KMAT, which is Karnataka Management Aptitude Test, right? And I will give the fees of the management quota at the end of this, as well as the PGCET based and admission fees at the end of this video. So please be looked in. And now coming to the placement part of it, so Department of Management Studies, as regular to the main college, it provides opportunities for in banking, financial services, IT domain, meeting the needs of the different streams of MBA programs, right? So coming to that, now the overall college level placement, it's a very good. If you see 1,000 students are getting placed in this college, so this is a top-notch engineering college by any standard, and the number of placements are only increasing. So that is the best part I wanted to show here. And how about the placement salaries or the other figures? So you see, as I said, 100 plus companies are visited, and around 1,000 students are getting placed, and the highest salary last year was 24 lakhs for global, 30 lakhs for national. So that's very good. And 4.8 lakhs is the average package, and 20 plus international offers are there in this college. So that is the best. Japanese companies are visiting this college. Now coming specifically to the placement of the management studies, so this program is run through as case analysis and all those presentations and all those modes, and the students get placed in the reputed organizations. You see the few of the names, with the average CTZ which is in this college is between 6 to 10 lakhs, right, for the MBA program. So overall college goes around 30 lakhs, but for the MBA program it's around 6 to 10 lakhs, and average is 7 lakhs is what you can expect here, if you are a good student. And these are the MBA program specific companies. So Amazon, IBM, HP, or those are IT companies, and then Infosys also you see. On the banking side, it's ICICI Bank you see here, and North Trust, right, and KPMG on the advisory side, Xerox manufacturing side, and Tata Group. You also Standard Chartered Bank also on the banking side. So a lot of good companies here. You can see this. And apart from, as I said, this college has a placement in this companies, a few of the names which you have seen, and also provides for value-added training, so that, this placement gets, more better year on year. So those are a few of the value-added trainings. Now coming to the fees part, as I said, if you are getting through PGCET, there will be two components. One is 55,000, close to that will be your MBA fees, and then you have to pay 30,000 college or other fees. So if you put together 58 plus 30, around 85, or you say 90,000, it will be the per year fees, right, for this PGCET based admission. If your rank is, so if you are having a rank between 5,000 to 7,000, you should enter these colleges, then one of the option. So 90,000 is the fees. Apart from that, 90,000 is a fees. There is a hostel fees if you are availing that. So 15,000 caution deposit, 70,000 is your room rent per year, and food charges will be around 2,500 per month. So these are additional charges if you are availing higher hostel only. Now coming to